Hi, I'm doing Paul McWhorter's Pico W lessons, and we're currently on lesson number 33 when he wanted us to convert colours from the HSV format to the RGB format, and he showed us the colours going round on the HSV colour wheel, and then he kind of demonstrated that if you divided it into three, the 360 degrees of it, 120 degrees you would have some element of red and overlapping with various elements of blue and green, and the same goes for the green and the blue. And so for this I'm using a saturation value of 1 and a value of 1, which hopefully will make the colours as strong as possible, and which means that if you have the maximum value for any of the elements, it's V times 255, which means the maximum value for each of the R, G and B can be up to 255, and then if you look at that, it's the minimum value. You multiply 255 by 1 minus S, which is 0. So the minimum value is 0, which means your values for the R, the G and the B can go from 0 to 255. And then that is just working out, that I've just taken that's kind of from the official site, that's the equation that you do it, using the gradient of the line, blah, 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 needn't go into all that. And then they say it varies depending whether you're 60, 120, 180, whatever degrees. Anyway, Paul went into all that. Nothing else to report really, apart from if you're wondering why this goes R, G, B equals big M, Z plus little m, little m. It's nothing special, it's just that so I could condense 3 lines into one, so I could get it on the screen, so I wouldn't have to scroll up and down, and you could admire my program to your heart's content. Nothing else to report. I've put a bit of paper behind the RGB LED just to hopefully make it a bit easier to see. So we will run this. Oh, and I'm displaying, it will come up in the shell, it's displaying the degrees and then the values for our red, green and blue. So we'll run this program and see what happens. Right, it's going greener, it's going kind of cyany, it's going bluer, it's going very blue, it's bringing the red again, magenta-y, oh, and red and off. Right, so that's my program, very simple.